Hash Norse mythology and the hidden knowledge of the cosmic energy grid, the false light matrix, and the nature of reality. Norse mythology is not just stories. It's a complex system of encoded metaphysical truths about the nature of reality, the electromagnetic universe, and the battle between sovereignty and control. Everything we've discussed, the false light matrix, ley lines, energetic harvesting, and the structure of our realm, can be found in Norse cosmology. Let's break it all down. 1. Yggdrasil, the cosmic axis, the world tree, and the energy grid. Yggdrasil represents the true structure of reality, not outer space, not an endless vacuum. Yggdrasil describes an interconnected, multidimensional system. The world tree is the cosmic axis, a central energy conduit, much like the electromagnetic toroidal field we've discussed. The roots extend into the underworld, subconscious lower realms. The trunk supports Midgard, the physical plane, and the branches stretch into the heavens, higher consciousness. The North Pole, the magnetic center, and the Black Rock, Rupa Snigra. Many ancient depictions of Mount Meru, the Black Rock, and Shambhala align with Norse descriptions of Yggdrasil's roots being at the center of Midgard. The North Pole may be a powerful energy vortex, hidden from modern explorers to suppress its true purpose. If the North Pole is a massive electromagnetic center, it would explain why compasses point north and why no-fly zones are enforced. Yggdrasil equals the cosmic electromagnetic grid, the toroidal field that sustains and connects realms. 2. The Bifrost Bridge and interdimensional travel Bifrost equals the electromagnetic spectrum and frequency gateways. The Bifrost Bridge is the pathway between Midgard, Earth, and Asgard, the higher realm. It's described as a rainbow bridge, symbolizing different frequency spectrums of light and energy. This aligns with the idea that access to higher consciousness, or even physical travel to different lands, requires vibrational shifts. Hidden realms exist beyond what we can see. Norse mythology teaches that multiple realms exist beyond Midgard, Earth, yet they are not accessible in physical form unless certain energetic conditions are met. What if these realms are not distant planets, but other frequency layers of our own realm? Bifrost equals the ability to move beyond the false light matrix through vibrational mastery. Taz 3, the gods as cosmic forces and the battle between control and sovereignty. Odin, Thor, and the war against the Archons, Jotnar. Odin represents wisdom, self-mastery, and the seeker of higher knowledge. Thor represents divine protection and the force that shatters illusions, Mjolnir's frequency weapon. The Jotnar giants represent the chaotic, consuming forces that seek to control and destroy. Ragnarok equals the cyclical reset of the realm. Ragnarok is the destruction and rebirth of the world, similar to the mud flood resets and cataclysms we've discussed. The world is not a linear progression, but a cyclical event where old structures collapse and new ones emerge. The current system, the false light matrix, may be a phase of Ragnarok where we must reclaim sovereignty or be reset once again. Norse mythology describes an ongoing battle between the forces of control and those who seek liberation. The serpent, Kundalini energy, or the false light deception. Jormungandr, the Midgard serpent and the Kundalini force. Jormungandr is the serpent that encircles Midgard, keeping it contained. Could this represent the energy field of the Earth? The electromagnetic toroidal structure that loops back on itself. Serpents in esoteric traditions represent Kundalini energy, but is Jormungandr a natural force or a control mechanism? Fenrir, the great wolf and the unleashing of sovereignty. Fenrir, the wolf that destroys Odin at Ragnarok, is symbolic of a force that breaks illusion. Could this represent the destruction of false gods, external authority, and the illusion of control? The Norse myths suggest that the current reality is bound by an energetic loop, but that loop can be broken. 5. Norse mythology and the false light matrix. How it all connects. Yggdrasil is the cosmic electromagnetic structure, hidden behind modern distortions of physics. The North Pole may be the true energetic center, with restricted access to prevent awakening. Bifrost represents the ability to shift between realms via frequency mastery. Ragnarok is the cyclical destruction of false systems, possibly connected to mud floods, resets, and energetic shifts. The gods are not literal figures, but archetypal forces representing the struggle between control and liberation. The serpent and the wolf symbolize the forces of containment and the breaking of control.